I see, it's Santa Claus.
Isaac!
Do you think Santa Claus is going to bring you anything this year?
Isaac, where's the picture of Logan?
What do you want Santa Claus to bring you, Logan?
A lot of cars.
A lot of cars.
Isaac, can you show Mommy the picture of Logan on the tree?
Where's Logan? Can you show me Logan's picture?
Of Logan on the tree?
No. No, that's definitely not Logan.
Now should I do it?
Isaac. Isaac. Isaac, what's Which one did you like
You're
over here?
fixated on these, huh?
Which one did you like over here? What were you pointing at before?
Where's mine?
Who's that?
Daddy, where did you put the bunny rabbit?
Oh, you like the Mickey now?
Oops.
I'm not ready.
Yes, I know, you are very fixated on these. Okay, we will do something with those, don't worry. Okay? Abby, what do you want Santa to bring you?
I don't know.
Nothing?
I don't know yet.
Oh, okay, well you're running out of time.
Tinkerbell and princesses.
What about you?
He wants to get coaches. He wants a ball.
He just
He
wants
wants
to
the
throw
baby toy.
I feel like he's throwing boxes.
He said
It's
ball.
probably time to go.
He said ball, Mommy.
I know, I heard him. I heard him. Could be in box too.
A ball in the box, Isaac?